Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we will show you how to make money on p2p Binance. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. And for you to start creating money or earning money here on p2p Binance, you need to sign up or log in into your Binance account first. You need to verify your account using your valid IDs before you can start using p2p Binance. Once you are logged in into your Binance account, what you can do is go to trade, that's on the top right corner of the screen, and go to p2p. Here you just click on p2p and you will be redirected into this page. From here, you will be able to see the different cryptocurrency assets that are currently being sold or that's in the market that you can choose from. And for you to be guided accordingly, you can actually look into the quick guide here or user guide, where they actually have a beginner guide where they will introduce you to the different parts of the p2p Binance feature here on Binance, so that you will be guided on what are these terms and how you will be able to purchase one. So here on the Express and P2P, this actually are both trading options where the Express mode, users can directly place an order by entering the fiat or crypto amount and a preferred payment method. While with p2p Binance, there are more options for users to trade with, where users can filter the amount and a lot more. Here is the filter tool. You'll be able to see the buy and sell button where you can toggle it on and off, and you have the different currencies, cryptocurrencies that you can look into, and you will be able to set up the amount, the fiat, and the payment methods as well. And you can even select the regions as well on which part of the world or which part of the region you'd like to sell or buy your cryptocurrency assets. So here is the advertiser information where you will be able to see the merchant's profile, the completion rate, and the total number of completed orders, and the merchant badge. When you click on the merchant's profile here, you'll be directed into his account, and you can see here at the bottom part, you'll see the 100% completion, and it has completed 12 orders in his account. Here is the price and limits. On the right side of the merchant's profile, you'll see the price of one coin the user wishes to trade for, and its available quantity and the lowest to highest price amount that the user is willing to trade with. So it's actually using yen here. So available for USD, and then you can actually modify that as well or browse into more options depending on if you're satisfied with the offer the seller or the merchant is offering you. So here as well as the zero fee. You can buy crypto with no fees here with p2p Binance. So just click on OK, and here you will be routed into this page. You can browse into different options or different assets that you can look into, and if you're interested you can actually purchase one. So here is a notice from p2p Binance as well, where you can just click on OK. So you just need to keep that in mind, and you just need to agree to the terms here that you need to remember every time you will be using p2p Binance. So just click to continue, and then you are directed into this page. And then once you scroll down a little bit more, you'll be able to see on how the p2p Binance works, where you need to place an order first, and then once the order has been placed, the crypto asset will be escrowed by p2p Binance, and then you will need to pay the seller, where you need to send money to seller via the suggested payment methods, where you have 700 choices for the payment methods that you can use. And once done, and once the seller receives your payment and confirms the receipt, you will be able to get your crypto asset. And that's the process for buying a crypto. But for selling crypto, it's another way around. First thing is that you need to place an order. And after the order is placed, your crypto will be escrowed by P2p. Once done, what you will do is that you need to check the transaction record in the given payment account and make sure that you receive the money sent by the buyer. So you need to double check and confirm the payment so that you will be able to confirm that the transaction is legit. And once you have confirmed the legitimacy, you can actually click or release the crypto to the buyer. Here are the advantages as well of using P2P exchange. It actually has low transaction fees. As I mentioned earlier, it actually has zero trade fees here, zero trading fees rather, and we pledge to apply, or they pledge to apply, the lowest P2P transaction fees for all market. It also has flexible payment methods where you can buy and sell crypto with over 700 payment methods, including bank transfer, cash, M-Pesa, and other multiple e-wallets. And you can also trade at your preferred prices as well. So here with p2p Binance, you can actually look into the p2p blog so that you will be guided and so that you will be able to make money using this feature on Binance effectively as well. There are also FAQs that you can take advantage, especially for beginners. Not only beginners, this could also help the advanced users here and also advertisers for using P2P Binance with making their transactions. And as I mentioned earlier, here are the top payment methods used here on B2B Binance. One is bank transfer, you have Alipay, and you have a lot more options. As I mentioned earlier, there are over 700 payment methods you can choose from. And here you can see when you click on or you toggle the sell option, you'll be able to see the other sellers or the other crypto assets that are being sold or that they are selling here in the market. And if ever you want a specific cryptocurrency, you can actually just toggle into these tabs here where there's Bitcoin, there is Ethereum, and there is also TUSD. There are a lot of options here for you that you can actually look into, and you can actually filter as well the different information. And please do make use as well the other features here where you actually have video guides or video tutorials, and you can actually track your orders, and you can actually look into your P2P user center as well for you to be guided. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to use and make money here with P2P Binance. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.